Well, it looks like we should all start preparing our wallets because the biggest upgrade for the Galaxy S26 Ultra seems all but confirmed at this point. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S26 series in just a couple of months, and leaks continue to trickle in, building that familiar buzz ahead of its release. Now, a fresh listing for the Galaxy S26 Ultra has come along to back up those exciting rumors about much faster charging, and it feels like a genuine game changer. The keen-eyed Twitter user at ZionZanvin actually spotted a Galaxy S26 Ultra certification on China's 3C regulatory website, and we were able to find it, too. The listing confirms the model number SM, S948 and, more thrillingly, 60W wired charging at 20V and 3A. This discovery strongly suggests the Galaxy S26 Ultra will finally offer those faster wired charging speeds we've been dreaming about, marking the first real charging upgrade for an Ultra phone since the Galaxy S20 Ultra way back in 2020. Can you believe it's been that long? This finding feels even more credible because Samsung had already quietly listed a 60W charger on its own website recently, so all the pieces are falling perfectly into place. It definitely looks like the Galaxy S26 Ultra is about to get a long overdue and very welcome boost to its charging speed, which is something to genuinely celebrate. Oh, and the 3C listing had another little nugget of information. It mentions the S26 Ultra will have satellite connectivity. That's not a huge shock, since the Galaxy S25 Ultra already supports it, but I'm still so curious to see if Samsung has any improved connectivity or clever new satellite features up its sleeve for this next-generation flagship. The wait for the official reveal just got a whole lot more interesting. Fresh intel from Ice Universe has finally lifted the curtain on Samsung's next big move. After months of confusion and a missing January launch, the wait is almost over, and the timing says a lot. According to the latest leak, Samsung will host Galaxy Unpacked in San Francisco on February 25, 2026. Yes, February, marking a clear departure from Samsung's recent January flagship launches. Even more surprising? Galaxy S26 series sales are expected to begin in March 2026, nearly a full month later than the Galaxy S25's January debut. This isn't just a date change, it's a strategic reset. Ice Universe confirms that the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the entire S26 lineup will once again debut on Samsung's biggest global stage, Galaxy Unpacked, signaling that Samsung isn't experimenting wildly this year. Instead, the company appears to be doubling down on stability, refinement, and long-term consistency. In other words, don't expect rushed upgrades, expect polish. While excitement may not be exploding just yet, this early timeline leak feels less like speculation and more like a soft confirmation. And with Samsung officially stepping into a new era of mobile processing, this marks the true beginning of the Galaxy S26 hype cycle. Ice Universe just dropped a new leak on X, and it completely changes the way we're looking at the Galaxy S26 lineup. He's been tracking Samsung's 2026 plans for months, and according to him, the gap between the regular S26 models and the Ultra is going to be the widest we've ever seen. And honestly, after reading what he shared, it's starting to look like most Samsung fans should skip the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus entirely and go straight for the S26 Ultra next year. Samsung will still launch all three models, S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, but while they all get a new chipset and some solid improvements, the Ultra is getting upgrades that the other two simply won't match. Ice Universe laid out 7 clear reasons why waiting for the Ultra is the smarter move. First, a bunch of brand new AI features launching with the S26 series will only run on the Ultra at the start. Even the current S25 Ultra might need 3 to 6 months of software updates to catch up. Samsung is clearly positioning the Ultra as the real AI powerhouse. Charging speeds are another big difference. The S26 Ultra is set to support 60W wired charging and 25W Qi 2 wireless charging, while the S26 and S26 Plus stay stuck on the older, slower standards. If you're someone who charges multiple times a day, this upgrade is going to feel huge. Samsung is also preparing an intelligent privacy screen that automatically darkens the display for anyone looking from the side. It adjusts in real time and helps keep your content private. And yes, early leaks suggest it's exclusive to the S26 Ultra. Camera upgrades are where things get even more interesting. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to jump to a larger sensor with an f/1.4 aperture on the main camera. That means better low-light shots, deeper background separation in portraits, and sharper details overall. On top of that, the telephoto lenses are getting a new AI sharpening algorithm that should seriously improve clarity at higher zoom levels. Samsung is also introducing a brand new video codec called APV. While the entire S26 series might support it, the full experience, the best quality, the best processing is going to be on the Ultra. That's where Samsung plans to push its pro-grade video upgrades. The selfie camera is getting attention too. The S26 Ultra is rumored to have a noticeably wider field of view, which might make the display cutout slightly bigger than the S25 Ultra. But in return, it will help Samsung compete directly with the iPhone 17's upgraded selfie system. And then there are the software exclusives. Samsung is working on several new features that might stay locked to the Ultra for at least the first year. We're talking improved DeX functions, advanced S Pen capabilities, and new pro-level camera modes that won't show up on the S26 or S26 Plus anytime soon. By the looks of it, the Ultra isn't just the top model anymore, it's becoming the real flagship experience, while the regular S26 models feel more like the entry point into the lineup. If these leaks are accurate, 2026 might be the year where the Ultra becomes almost a completely different class of device. The Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most interesting releases yet, not just because of the phones themselves, but because of the entire accessory ecosystem built around one major theme: magnets. A full list of upcoming accessories is leaked, and almost everything Samsung is preparing for the S26 lineup connects back to magnetic support and the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard. The leaks come from reliable sources, and the pattern is obvious. Samsung wants the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra to deliver a stronger, more reliable wireless charging experience. To make that happen, the phones are expected to include built-in magnets for perfect alignment with chargers and accessories. But Samsung isn't stopping there. The new covers and cases designed for the series will also include magnets for extra grip and stable positioning. This finally puts Samsung on the same level as other brands that have been using magnet-based charging for years. It also marks Samsung's return to stronger magnetic hardware after staying away from it for a long time in the Galaxy S lineup. The accessory list reveals several new case types. There's a Samsung magnetic carbon case coming in black for the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus. This one focuses on durability, a premium feel, and full magnetic compatibility with Qi 2 accessories. There's also the Samsung Clear case, available for all three models, keeping the phone's design visible while adding basic protection. For users who want the same look but with magnetic support, Samsung is preparing a magnetic clear case as well. On top of that, there's the magnetic rugged clear case, a tougher, more shock-resistant version that still supports Qi 2 alignment. For fans of silicone, Samsung will offer a magnetic silicone case in black or gray for all three devices. Silicone is already grippy and soft, and the magnet ring will make it lock perfectly onto chargers and accessories. One accessory that stands out is the Samsung Dual Magnet Holder Ring. The name itself raises questions. Does dual refer to two magnets inside the ring, or does the second magnet refer to the one already inside the phones? Without images, nothing can be confirmed. It could simply be a marketing term, or it could hint at stronger attachment or a new type of functionality altogether. The latest wave of updates just got even more exciting because the Galaxy S26 Ultra has now shown up on the FCC certification listing. And with this listing, a fresh set of key specs has quietly slipped into the spotlight. Samsung's upcoming beast appears under the model numbers SM, S948U, and SM, S948U1, basically confirming both the international and US variants. Each one is locked in with the FCC IDs A3 LSMS 948V and A3 LSMS 948U, officially labeled as a portable handset. But the real story is in the connectivity details revealed inside the listing. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming loaded with full 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G network support, along with triple-band Wi-Fi 7 across 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz. There's Bluetooth with EDR and LE, NFC, wireless power transfer including reverse wireless charging, and even UWB support. Basically, every high-end communication feature you expect from a premium flagship in 2025 is right here. But the most interesting reveal is the chipset confirmation. Even after months of confusion and back-and-forth rumors about the Exynos 2600 being used across the entire S26 lineup, the FCC listing confirms something completely different for the Ultra. Samsung is going all in with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, model SM8850, and yes, it's the special for Galaxy, overclocked version. The listing even mentions Qualcomm's Smart Transmit Plus EFS V24, which improves antenna grouping and boosts multi_TX_ factor to 1.27. There's also a schematic image showing separate antennas for Wi-Fi 1 across all bands, Wi-Fi 2 antennas, and 2 dedicated UWB antennas, one of which is RX only.